shit, what was I gonna say? Oh no, yeah, because I'm really creepy, stalkerish and whatnot, I made a channel for you. No, but seriously, status post on your wall. I'm gonna be all chill bang and make a video and then post everything on your wall, just so then you can get the emphasis and really see it, how I'm saying it and whatnot. So yeah, first thing that I'm going to say is, okay, I'm just gonna say it as if I was gonna post it, so asterisk. Old guy tells us to move, asterisk. Me. Oh my god, Dumbledore spoke to me. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably gonna fare really badly if I do this every time I need to post on your wall. But I have good news for you. So like when I get home, like when I got home from town and all that, Mum was like, in the car, Mum was like, George, there's a letter for you from Nanny Sue, and I was like, oh really, cool. I got home and it was just like this card saying well done, and I was like, what, I haven't done anything, but it came with $50. I was so pumped. So now I can buy an actual thing and yeah, chill bang some more. And yeah, I bought you this. Just kidding, it's mine. I am gonna put it in soon. I just can't be bothered. I also I'm going to give you this little packet that it came in for your birthday, because like, I know you love 8 balls and all that, and I know you love the guy that gave it to me. Just because he's pretty chill bang and gave me a sexy 8-ball thing with my worship Satan thing, because he loves me and all that. Because he gave it to me for half price and whatnot. Yeah, I'm sorry about this. I really felt like making you a video because, yeah. I've decided what else I can get you for your birthday too, by the way. So, yeah, and it's gonna be, like 14 million Hubba Bubbas. That one, but yeah. Oh, also, it looks like your vagina. Yes, Georgia, of course. Yeah, that's all I was gonna say, so. Talk to you later, sweet cheeks.